Welcome to our chocolate company.
The cocoa beans travel thousands of kilometers across the sea before reaching us.
Clear the landing zone, set it down on the chassis.
Confirmed. Set for landing.
Every cocoa shipment is checked before entering production. We carefully inspect the beans to ensure premium chocolate quality.
The beans are cleaned.
The roasting process develops the rich chocolate flavor. The shells are removed, leaving only the valuable cocoa nibs. Sugar and milk are added to create our signature chocolate recipe. Our technicians monitor every step of the production process. Conching gives the chocolate its smooth texture and taste. Tempering prepares the chocolate for perfect molding. Every chocolate bar is checked for quality and consistency. The chocolate is sealed to preserve freshness. Our packaging team prepares the products for shipment.
The chocolate is now ready to reach customers around the world.
Watch your clearance on the starboard side.
Set it down easy, we've got the guides ready.
Manifest confirms the chocolate shipment is secured.
All right, push it straight in. Mind the step. Yep, almost there.
Customers around the world enjoy the final product.
Our team takes pride in every chocolate bar we produce. This is the journey of cocoa, becoming world-class chocolate.
Every chocolate shared brings the family closer together.